Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see a Google Sheet which I used to track my credit card bills and payments and the spends, everything in this particular Google Sheet. So let me show you the overall sheet view. So if you see, these are actually different month sheets. So there are 12 month sheets and a summary page. We will look into it later. So this is the initial sheet view that we will get for every month. So, and for example, to explain how the sheet works, let's take a credit card and a month. So I am taking August month, and let's take a scenario for credit card 1. Every month I get generating bill on 1st of August, and the bill should be paid by 20th August. Okay, so it's been already already the bill has been generated, and let's say I got a credit card bill of 5,000, and once I have done this right, the graphs will update automatically, the pie chart and the bar chart, everything. So after that I'll update the minimum due amount as well. So if you see here, right, so the comment has been updated as bad. So let me update the minimum due amount as well. So if you see, it has been updated to worst. Previously it was good, and the best has changed to bad. So let me tell you how to change them back to the good remarks. Let me tell you, I do make a payment of 200 rupees. Okay, and 4th of August 2022. Cool. And I got a drop down. Let's say I paid via Amazon. Cool. So still it has been worse. Why? Because I didn't pay the minimum due amount. Let's say I make a payment of 50 on 5th of August 2022. So this has been done via MobiKwik. Okay, cool. So now the command has been changed to good. Cool. So next we have to go into, and this cell shows the balance bill. So how much I have to pay. So I have to pay still 4,750. So I have paid 4,750 once I paid. So the command has changed to good best now, and the color has changed to green. Cool. I made a payment. I forgot the due amount. I paid a little late, so I paid 21/8/2022. Cool, right? So now the color date of the color is changing to it. Why? Because it's past due date, so the color has been changing, and I have paid via Paytm. Cool. So this is how the monthly card bills will be shown. So I will show a complete data field for sample. You can take a look by pausing the video. Yeah, this is how a complete month bill pay will look like. So this is the graph according to the monthly bills, and let me show you another demo as well. See, cool. So this is how monthly bills will be generated. Before I go to summary page, I'll just show you another example for the credit cards 2 as well. And I got a bill of, let's say, 2,500 and the minimum due amount of 150. Okay, and the comments have been updated here. And now let me go to summary page. So in the summary page, see the bill which I didn't pay, it will be showed here as red if you see here, and here it will show what is the total bill amount I got for August, and how much remaining I have to pay here as well. And for these months I have paid perfectly. You can see everything is in negative, nothing is positive. So, and that's the thing, I have paid every bill. So that's why everything isn't red here. So in case you want to update the card names, let's see here the card names are different, right? So do you want to update everywhere? And the bill dates, do you have to change everywhere, each and every month? No. So instead of that, I created a centralized page, that is summary page. So if I change it here, right, the card names will update in every page. So let's say I have a credit card from IOB Bank and State Bank and Access. So if you see, these will be updated to the sheets. See, these have been updated in the May month as well, in the September as well. Everywhere it has been updated. Cool, right? So in case, let's assume in my scenario IOB bank bill date is 1 and due date is this. I want to change it. So how do I do it? Do we have to change it everywhere? No. So this is the where you have to change. So let's say I am getting bill date for IOB on 15th of every month, and I get a period of 25 days to pay the bill. Okay, so if you see it in the August now, it has been updated 15th of every month and 9th of the next month the bill should be paid. See, previously it was in the red color, now it is changed to white as due to the date has been extended. So if you see in the next month as well, 15th, 9th, everywhere it has been updated. And in case if you want to see for February, it has only less rate, right? So usually it is 9th, but February it is converted as 12th. So everything updates, a leap year, everything it calculates perfectly. There won't be any issues. So in case I want to change it to next year, so what I have to do? Just change the year itself. So if I go here, now see, everywhere 23 has been updated. Cool, right? Yeah. So let me change it back 22. And so what are these charts now? So this is the same chart you have seen in the month-wise sheets. So same thing, but here we are doing it for total ones, and the same chart, how much you are using it. And the same chart replication has been done in the sheets itself. If you see here, right? So IOB Bank has been used 4.2% spends, 2% of the overall spends, and the same the below one shows the bar chart. So if see the red one shows higher usage, so 25% access card, and the bar chart with the length is high. If you see with the 4.7 and 25.8. So the same thing, a simple representation of the pie chart here. So this is quarterly analysis of different cards. So this one is quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4. Yeah, likewise. Different quarter, how these card performs. Those kind of analysis can be analyzed from these charts. So what are these now? These are a gauge chart which can be used to know how much limit I use for every month. So every card has its limit, right? So in case IOB, these limits will be updated here. So if you see in this one, IOB has 50,000 limit, State Bank has 50,000, Access has 56,000, Credit Card 4 has 1,98,000. So these things are you have to keep it here once it is ready, right? Cool. If we go here, let's take this one as an example. Yeah. So if you go here, and you can see how much I have spent. If May month I have spent 11,000, and July month I have spent 38,000. If you see, it has been reached the red mark. This shows I have used. My limit is 50,000, 56,000, but I have used 38,000. So it shows you are using more. So this remains, you have to limit the usage. So this is in the green. Everything you can show it here. So most of things are green, are trying to reach orange. So based on this, you can limit your credit card usages. And once if the credit card reaches red for 2 or 3 months, you can ask the bank to increase the limit, or you can buy a new credit card so that you won't overuse the limit to avoid more penalties, kind of things. So this is the sheet, and you have seen the drop downs, right? These drop downs are updated here. If you want to change different sources, you can change it here. They will reflect in every sheets. If you want the sheet, I do need some time. I will create a new video to how to use them from the scratch and what are the things not to do. With that, I'll attach the sheet so that you can use it if you are interested in it. Thank you very much, and bye bye.